welcome back to my channel. It's about beauty skincare, and if today is your first time, you are welcome. And for my subscribers, I say thank you so much. Thank you for joining the ministry. Thank you for your support. I love you all. Okay guys, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how I make butter moisturizing skin repair. Hey, this cream now go be. This cream is going to moisturize your skin. It's going to repair your skin if you're facing any form of itching, if you're facing any form of dryness, and it's going to make your skin to be soft. So guys, don't focus alone on lightening. No, as you're lightening, make sure you moisturize at the same time. And there is difference between lightening and toning. So this butter is going to soft, tone, moisturize, and give you that super glow that you want. You know, it's going to make your skin feeling so soft. So guys, this is it. Soft skin. I'm proud of it. So if you want to have this, no makeup. Yeah guys, no makeup. So let's go there. Let me teach you how to make this super butter cream. Love you all. Hi guys, so now we are going to make this butter moisturizing skin repair. Guys, I call it butter moisturizing skin repair because it's going to repair your skin. If you're using any lightening skin additive on your body, you need this cream as well. So guys, I'm using my shea butter, unrefined shea butter. You always have to use unrefined when it comes to butter, and your oils, they have to be unrefined guys. And I'm using my tea tree essential oil. Guys, please pardon me for the video is not that clear at the beginning, but in few seconds time the video is going to be clear. Okay guys, I'm using the coconut oil. I'm too excited, that is why. Coconut oil, unrefined, and is organic as well. And this is my 99% glycerin oil, and this is organic as well. And for those of you in Africa, when you see anything like bio is organic. So sometimes they don't just write it organic, they put it bio. So this is my lavender essential oil, and I have my castor oil here. This castor oil is very good. It has antifungal properties and it's going to heal your skin. It's a healing oil. So guys, I have my vitamin E oil as well that we are going to add to it. So now guys, we are just going to melt this coconut oil and the shea butter. We are going to melt it. We are going to do the double boiling method. So let's go to my kitchen guys. So this is it guys. I'm saying guys, I don't know what to say. Okay, my beauties are my diva. So now we are going to melt this oil in a low heat, and don't kill it guys. Guys, again, don't kill it, please. Don't kill your oil immediately your oil is melt. Just take it out from the boiling water or hot water from the pot. Just take it out, and this is it guys. What is wrong with me? I keep saying guys. So this is it, and I'm going to add the liquid oil to this melted oil that we have already, and I'm adding the vitamin E oil. So guys, I'm not doing any measurement. I think I'm just going to leave it as guys because I'm used to it. So I'm just going to add my glycerin into this, and like I said before, I'm not doing any measurement because this is for my skin, this is for my body, this is not for sale, this is not for gifts. I'm not giving this out as a gift as well. It's for me. So now we are going to add our castor oil, our almighty castor oil. I cannot do without this oil because this oil is healing. You can use it as a woman. Sometimes you need to massage your lower stomach. So I do use it to massage my lower stomach. And I'm adding the tea tree essential oil to this. So now we are going to add our lavender. I love this smell. I love it. I can't do without lavender. I love it. I love it. So guys, what you are going to do now is to whip, but I do add some little of my butter and my coconut oil to it before I whip it. I don't put my oil in the fridge. I just add my solid butters to it and whip. So guys, now we are going to whip until we have this creamy texture, milky texture that you want, that you desire. This is how I want mine. I don't want mine to be thick. I don't want mine to be solid. I just want it to be creamy like milk. So guys, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, what are you waiting for, guys? Feel free and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell, guys. Hit it and you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. I do make a video twice in a week or once in a week. So guys, just subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's do this together. So guys, see how creamy. I love this. I feel like eating it, but not eat it. I'm naughty. So this is so beautiful. I love it. Wow, I love it, guys. You have to use this on your skin. I do use my lightening skin and body lotion 5 times in a week, and I use this twice in a week because truth be told, guys, if you're using a lightening skin cream or lotion on your skin, if you're using it, you have to always use this as well, because most of this lightening additive, lightening ingredients that we add on our lotion, on our skin, most of them, they do dry out our skin. Truth be told, some people will not tell you this. All they are concerned about is light your skin. Most of those stuff, they do dry out our skin, so you have to always have your moisturizing body cream or whatsoever name you want to call it. This, I call it my ajebota, because when I use it twice in a week, I know my skin is different. I can feel how smooth, how soft my skin looks. So guys, this is my ajebota moisturizing skin repair. It's going to repair your skin. If you have dry skin, if you have itchy skin, this is going to repair your skin. And guys, now I'm just going to transfer this into my little beautiful sexy jar. I love this jar so much. It's so beautiful. I love how small it is. So now you're just going to transfer this ajebota skin repair into this little beautiful jar. Wow, see how creamy and beautiful this look. Yeah. Guys, if you want to eat, you are free to eat it. I'm joking. Don't eat it, please. Don't eat it. Well, you can eat it as well, because all the oils here are eatable. For the lavender, I'm not sure if you can eat that, and the tea tree oil. So this is it, guys. See how beautiful this look. This is my beautiful ajebota. So guys, looking good is a good business. I love to look good. I'm a junkie when it comes to looking good. I love to look good for myself, for my man, for my friends as well. I don't like to be intimidated. I like to always be the first among all. So my skin comes one when it comes to anything I do. My skin is number one and my head follow. Oh no, sorry, my head's number one and my skin number two. I love you all. I love you all. I'm going to see you in my next other video in next week, guys. Yeah.